does no one have any info on the Why do you keep placing doors and bursting through them? Shh! Look, over there.
Just as I remembered. Curly Fool's Emporium. Let's go round the back.
I sense there's something in the wind that feels like tragedies at hand. And though I'd like to stand by him, can't shake this feeling that I have.
'You are the sun and I am the moon.